This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another preview of what I'm doing to get ready for spring. This is a few of the tools that I need to take care of before spring. It's a nice day. I'm going to do it while it's cool. As you can see, some of those have been left out to rust, so they need to be cleaned up, sharpened up, shined up. And this here is it's a tool to measure my soil. There's all types you can find out there, but this is the one that's pretty cheap and easy to use. And last but not least, what I've been saying to you guys for years now: buy your seeds now. Do not wait, because your selection is going to be limited and the prices are most likely going to be higher.